You're all caught up on Instagram, fix it now. So, if Instagram is giving you a message that says that you're all caught up, it just means that you have seen all the posts from the accounts that you follow. So, you can check for your following post by if you open up your Instagram app, tap the Instagram logo from the top left like this, and there you'll see your following or favorites. So, most likely, if you go to following and you've seen all of the people, then it just means that you've seen and caught up with the post that your following list have actually posted. So the thing is that you can actually just watch random content that Instagram is offering you over here. You can go to Reels and start watching the Reels if you want to. It is just totally dependent upon your own wish. Now what you can also do is you can try to refresh the app like this and check your Wi-Fi connection or anything if they're working fine. Once you refresh it, it should be able to help you with all of those glaring issues as well. Also check if your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Go to your Play Store, App Store, search for the Instagram app, check if it has an update, and if it does, then just make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.